everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and I talk a lot about Salesforce. Today we're going to be going over how to turn off Salesforce Classic. So there are loads of reasons why you'd want to turn off Salesforce Classic. Maybe you just don't want it as an option anymore for your users, or you have additional functionality that you want to add that you can't use with Classic enabled. So let's go ahead and hop into our setup, and we're going to go to Lightning Experience Transition Assistant, which is a mouthful. We're going to go to the optimize phase and go to steps. Here, we're going to go to number 4 and turn it off. There you go. That is super simple how to turn off your classic org. However, it is a little funky to get to. Other reasons, specifically for doing certification maintenance, you do need to know how to do this to pass the admin maintenance module and set up restriction rules, which is a new functionality by Salesforce. So if you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below. Check out the courses down below on administration, users, app builder, all those fun things. You can subscribe to the channel, like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the email list at salesforceemily.com. Thank you again so much for joining me today, and I will catch you guys in the next one.